Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be doing a Triyit unboxing. So on today's video, a company called Triyit have kindly sent me out this box and it's just packed full of goodies. So I thought we'd open it together and see what's inside it. I have done the sticky tape here because I was like, it's going to take me forever. Oh, so this is how it comes wrapped. All nice and eco-friendly, apart from maybe one little bit of plastic, but so far it's like, you know, I can throw all this in my composter, which is good. Oh, chocolate. So they've sent me out this Swizzles drumstick chocolate. Oh my god, I love the drumsticks. So this is delicious milk chocolate with a raspberry and milk centre with real raspberry pieces. Oh, lush. So that's what that looks like. That's nice. They have also sent me out this Bud Light Seltzer Lemon and Lime Alcoholic Sparkling Water with natural flavours. 4% alcohol. Okay. Never heard of that kind of a thing before, but that looks good. Maybe stick that in the fridge. And they also sent me out this Costa Coffee Smooth Psychic Double Espresso Shot. Oh my god. That will be epic for tomorrow morning. Absolutely epic. And this one is a latte as well, so oh, lush. Love it. This is all like literally a bit of me right now. So then there's this other little one. Oh, this is cute. So this is the one in the bubble wrap. Let me see, what is this? So these are all new products that come out, and basically what Triyit do is you can sign up. I'll leave a link in my description box, and you sign up, and when a campaign is right for you, they will send you out products that they want you to try and get reviews on and see what they're like. So this is, oh, gin, yes, raspberry and lemon gin. It's by a brand called Hooch. I love this little bottle. This is so dinky, but that is Mama got some gin. And this one, these are the two glass bottles, I guess. I kind of had to wrap them up. Oh, yes. Slightly salty, proper nutty, smunchy peanut butter made in Yorkshire, England. Yes. Love me a bit of peanut butter. So this is an English brand. Oh, this is cool. In our little factory in Huddersfield, we only roast our peanuts in small batches and then carefully grind them until they naturally attain a smoochy texture. Then we add a pinch of salt and that's it. Our peanut butter is made in the traditional way with nothing added that doesn't need to be there. So we decided to call it Proper Nutty. We hope you enjoy it. I'm sure I will. And both the glass and the lid are recyclable. So it's that one. How cool is that? So that's that. How cool is that? I cannot wait to try these. So I just thought I'd go through the unboxing with you really quickly. I might actually have a taste of this one right now to see what it's like, because I'm sure it's going to be lush. So stand by. I'm going to get a spoon. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh! Love peanut butter. Okay, so let's see. That is really good peanut butter. Not too salty, not too sweet. It literally just tastes like peanut butter. That is really nice. I could be here a while. This is so good. That is really, really good peanut butter. That is top notch. Okay, let's try the chocolate. Where did I put it? Okay, so let's try this one. This is the drumstick chocolate. Not that I ever say like chocolate in the first place, because like, who doesn't like chocolate? Ooh, it's soft. It's quite smushy. It's quite breaks quite easily. I probably should have put it in the fridge, but yeah. Mmm. Oh my god, that's good. Oh my god, that's really good. Mm-hmm. 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 That's really good. Mm. That's good. That's really good chocolate. You can definitely taste the crunch of the raspberry. And it's got a really, really creamy centre, which I really like. That'd be just perfect with a cup of tea. Mm. I'm going to save that for later now. Because knowing me, I get like a sugar fix or sugar crave about like 7 o'clock and then I never have any. I should probably get some ice for this, but I'm not gonna. So we're just gonna taste it and see how we like it. Oh, it's definitely fizzy. Oh, it's definitely different. I can't actually taste the alcohol in it, but I can definitely taste the lemon and lime, and it's slightly fizzy, so it's like drinking sparkling water with lemon and lime in it. I can't actually taste the alcohol, so that's nice. This is actually really, really nice. And I don't drink beers, but I could definitely drink this. Bud Light wouldn't have been a brand that I would have ever gone for, like, because I always associate them like with lagers and stuff, but I could drink that quite easily. Okay, the gin I'm gonna have to do later because I'm actually gonna like make a nice gin and tonic for myself. I think, do you put that with tonic? It doesn't say what you actually put it with. Raspberry and lemon gin. I'm gonna presume you put it with a tonic. I'm gonna put it with a tonic. Usually when I drink gins, it's like I drink them with ginger ale, but this one is lemon and raspberry, so I don't think ginger would go well with that. But yeah, we'll come back to this one, and I'm going to try this one in the morning because I know I'll need it bringing the kids to school. So I have to say, I've got a really, really good box from Triyit. I enjoyed all the products, and I know I'm going to enjoy these too, because like, who doesn't enjoy gin and who doesn't enjoy coffee, especially when you have to get up at stupid o'clock in the morning. So yeah, I will check back in with you later, and yeah, see you soon.